Damn, we got lots of likes on that doll video, surprisingly.
Might have to do more of those.
Yeah, maybe. Have to do better lighting next time, though.
Anyways, today I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite pool tricks.
Your favorite pool tricks, huh?
And I have a lot of favorite pool tricks.
Okay.
First one we have is, he probably already knows this, but
Yeah.
first we have the dive.
You're gonna do the dive?
Here.
Okay. Let's see the dive. Wow. Well, you know, you're not supposed to really dive in those pools.
Yeah, this pool is two. Yeah, this pool is really number two.
Number 2.
We have, so we're going to go to favorite pool tricks to least favorite pool tricks.
Okay.
So, second one we have is the spin dive.
A spin dive.
Yeah, and a lot of these, by the way, tricks are gonna have dives.
Okay. Oh wow, what a great dive that was. It would be better if you had a bigger pool.
Yeah, we have those pools that the YouTubers do.
Yeah, we don't have that YouTube money.
Yeah. And that's not what it's all about.
No, a pool is a pool.
Yeah.
It keeps you cool on a hot day.
You get what you get.
Even though it's not a very hot day.
Well, you agreed to it when I was on my bike. I said.
Yeah.
Yeah, you agreed to it. So.
Well, okay.
Third pool trick we have is what's it called? Oh yeah, the two spins and then you dive.
Oh wow.
So it's practically like the other move. It's just there's 2 spins and the dive's gonna look a bit.
Okay. What was that?
Spin.
Oh, the spin.
Wait, hold on. I gotta
There you go. That was sure a long way to go. Wow, you did it. Silly.
Okay, so fourth pool trick we have is the jump dive, and you might be wondering what the heck is a jump dive?
Yeah, what is
We're
it?
about to know. Practically, you jump, and then you practically dive. I know it looks pretty normal. That's why it's one of my least favorites.
Yeah.
Next one we have. Cool.
I
Next
told
one
you.
We have is. I need a lot of space for this one. Sorry.
You need a lot of space for that one.
Next we
Okay.
got. So practically, I'm gonna swim around this whole thing.
You're gonna swim around
And then
the
I'm
whole
gonna get
thing.
up really fast, and I'm gonna dive.
Okay.
You'll see.
Let's see.
Oh my God, it's cool. It's cool.
Well, come on, swim around. Like you said, you would swim around the whole thing.
That was just a joke, but okay.
So, no, that's what you gotta do.
That wasn't really fast.
Okay.
My body feels like a sponge right over it. And then you dive.
There you go.
Now I need my floaty.
Okay, you need your floaty?
Here.
Hold on.
So I got my floaty back in the pool.
Yes, you do.
And I went for a smaller floaty, but this one.
Yeah, that one was a waste of money.
Yeah, that one. It was for a 3-year-old.
Yeah, that's for a little
So
kid.
you spin with the floaty,
You're gonna spin with the floaty.
and then you put it down, and you sit.
Okay.
So you go put it down. Wait, I gotta mess it up. 10 hours later. And then you sit. Ah!
What in the world kind of a trick was that?
I don't know, that's why it's another one of my least favorites. Now I'm actually floating.
Yep, you're floating around on it. See if you can spin around on that thing.
I can walk. I don't think. But I can think I can spin.
Yeah, there you go.
Whoa! Ah! What do I do?
Yeah, just use your feet, kick your feet around. There you go. That's how you do it.
Okay, that was
I wonder if this thing is going to be easy to empty now. Probably not.
Oh no, we might need to blow this up again soon.
Maybe.
It's kind of weak. Now I don't need this much space for this trick. I think it's 5. Yeah, I think we're on trick 5.
Okay.
So So this one is called. Oh yeah, this one's called the door dive.
The door dive.
Yeah.
Okay.
You probably are wondering, a door, a dive. Whoa.
Well, what?
A door, a dive. Door, a dive.
Well, where's the door? What's the door? I don't see a door.
You don't need a door.
Oh, okay.
You don't need a door. It's just called a door dive.
Okay.
Because you don't actually need to open the door. So
Okay.
you know how you like walk in through there.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna like walk in the pool and then I'm done.
Okay.
Watch and learn.
All right.
That was a total fail.
What was that? I'm watching, but I'm not learning.
Like, you know, because I go to here.
Yeah.
I usually dash to here, but no. I won't, and then I dash. Okay, if there was actually comments allowed on here, that trick would probably get a 0.
Yeah, the reason they don't have comments on kids' videos.
Yeah.
People are mean.
Everyone, if we had comments on that, what's it called? Doll video, I won't better be saying that is so cringe.
Yeah, they would. It was cringe. That was the whole point. Make a cringy doll video, just like all the other YouTube kids channels.
So,
Yes.
this one is going to be a sit swim. This one's going to be a sit swim.
A sit swim.
Yeah,
Okay.
you know what that is.
Oh yeah, I think so. Oh, that's what you're doing, huh?
So you practically sit.
You're sitting and you're swimming.
Alright.
Yeah, be careful with them bugs. Well, did that take care of them?
What?
So did that take care of the bug?
Yeah. You sit and then you like turn around in circles and you swim.
Wow.
It's like a big sit.
What were you thinking with this video?
Someone thought this would be a disgusting place to do a video.
Well, I'm just saying, it's like you're just goofing around a pool, but I guess so. It's your channel, buddy.
Yeah. And practically all these videos were your idea.
No, not all of them were my idea. You had a couple of them.
Yeah.
That was your idea.
Yep. And also, that was number 6. So number 7.
Uh-huh.
So we're going into my least favorite.
What's the least favorite?
We're going into my least favorite.
Okay.
But that sit swim was my favorite. One of my favorites.
Okay.
Now we're going into my least favorite. That I really don't recommend doing in like this type of pool.
Okay.
So why am I?
Why are you doing? Why are you doing?
So you go over here. If you want to do this, you can either stay in that corner or this corner. But I really recommend going into this corner.
Okay.
And then you just like practically. Oh, I didn't tell you the name.
Yeah, what is the name?
Corner walker. Dive. Corner walker.
There's no corners. It's a big circle.
Girl, do you see this? This is what I call corner.
Well, I guess that could be the corner then. All right.
Well, we don't really have corners in this pool. You're right.
It's a giant circle. All right, you're walking around. Wow, there you go.
One of my least favorites.
Yes, I could see why. All right, now here comes a really cool pool trick. You're gonna try to sit on both of those floaties.
I'm gonna die.
No,
You know I can't swim.
you're gonna be fine. You're not even in that big of a pool anyway, so you'll be okay.
Floaties.
And plus, I'm right here. Worst that's gonna happen is you'll slip. You did this last year, so you'll be okay.
Yeah, I can't remember how I get on this last year. I was
Wow.
like 6 last year.
The other pool, we had corners.
Stop.
Oh, hey, maybe you got in through the holes there. Maybe.
If they get these floaties,
There you go. Let's see if you'll be able to do that.
I'm so
There you go. Now you just sit.
I'm trying. Yeah, I usually sit with my knees, like, well, not all the time.
Well,
my knee will not go through this hole.
well, I guess that's about as good as that's gonna get.
Oh my god, this was a fail. Wait. I did it. Now I'm gonna be stuck for the rest of my life.
No, you're fine. You'll be able to get out of that.
No, I can't get out of here.
Just pull one off at a time.
How do you end it?
There you go. See?
And also, I'm going to try and land on this.
Yeah, try laying on that one.
I can't trust this one. I can't land on this one.
No, I wouldn't do that. Bye bye.
Oof.
There you go.
Wait.
Then you use your hands to paddle around. Or your feet. Kick your feet. There you go.
This is fun.
Yeah. See? There you go. It worked. Woohoo!
And definitely that floaty.
Yeah.
There, that one's crap.
Yeah.
This one rules.
Yeah, that was a good one. I thought that one was going to be the same size as that one. The package made it look like that, but I don't know. Can't remember where I got that, but I'll have to go back to that store if I can remember.
Dollar Tree.
No, I didn't get that from Dollar Tree. I got that from a real store.
You should sue whoever made that.
Well, that's good for and for little kids. There you go. Now try doing your big spin. Yeah, there you go. Yay, you did it. Woohoo.
This is another trick that I really like.
Yeah, you like that trick? Silly Googies.
I can walk.
Yeah.
Alright, so I know we already have 12 minutes of footage, which is crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy.
But I only have 2 more tricks, so it's probably going to be like 12 or 12 and 5.
Yeah, something like that. We'll figure it out.
Anyways, in this trick, I need like this whole corner.
The whole corner, huh?
This one, the floating, so we're going to stay over there. I need like this whole.
All right.
Oh, and this trick is called the pickaxe.
The what?
The pickaxe.
The pickaxe.
Yeah, you know what a pickaxe is, right?
Where did you even learn that at? Where'd you see this, on TikTok or something?
Yes.
Did you enjoy those jelly fruits you got?
Yes.
I thought you said they were nasty.
Whoever said that they were nasty?
I don't know, your mom said they were nasty.
They're good.
Did you like them?
Yes.
So they were just big balls with jelly in them, huh?
Yeah, like on a stick.
Oh, that's kind of cool. I guess I can see why they were that much now. I thought they were just going to be like a bag of little fruit snacks or something.
Okay, anyways.
Yeah, get to the trick.
Anyways, I need like the middle actually.
Okay.
The pickaxe.
The pickaxe.
But like,
All right.
I was trying to memorize what that looks like. That's why I went like this.
Okay, we'll do it again.
I'm getting all the wrinkles.
Yeah, that's what happens. You're in the water too long, your skin starts to turn pruny. All right, well, let's see this pickaxe.
So do you know how pickaxe is going?
Yep. Now you're going to try to go chop.
This is going to look dumb.
Okay.
We're gonna get like an hour-long video.
Hopefully not.
Wait, oh wait, I just remembered.
What?
Go like this. There you go.
Okay.
Pickaxe dive.
All right, do the pickaxe.
Pickaxe dive.
Wow, that was great.
This move just made me look like a robot.
Now, what's your last move going to be?
The float.
The float.
Welcome back. Wait, do I need this one?
I need that one. That little one isn't going to do much. All right, you're doing the float.
So you go like, you hold it like,
Uh-huh.
hold it until you get in the water.
And
And you
that,
just float.
and you're just floating, huh? Well, that seems like a really simple trick.
Yeah, that's actually it.
Well, all right then.
And I rate that move a 10 out of 10.
Oh wow, that's very good. Maybe a 20 out of 100. I don't know. A big move. Great job. Well, anyway, what do you got to say, little buddy?
I hope everyone who is watching today's video enjoyed. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see everyone in the next video.
Yeah, see you
Bye,
next time, guys. Bye.